Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AXTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above this 8, I guess that's technically 805. So let's give a little bit more wiggle room and just call it 8. So the $8 mark. Now don't get me wrong though, if the price falls below 8, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above the $8 mark, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be down here at this consolidation area right around $7.75. So $8, $7.75 going to be those two near term levels of support. Taking a step back though and looking at things from the big picture point of view. So this definitely assumes you have more of a broader time horizon of things, but that's the purple line right there, the famous 50 period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Preferably speaking, like I said again, staying above 8 would be great. However, grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? As far as sellers and where they're hanging out at, that's going to be right up here around $8.30. Yeah, I get it. The price went slightly up above there, but there are also instances where the price didn't quite go that high. So I'm just trying to find the middle ground there and split the difference. But I think we can all agree that, just kind of within the general vicinity, sellers are hanging out right up around $8.30. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Very nice move today. Great volume. So not just a question of whether or not the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.